Alright, good afternoon everyone. So for this afternoon, our lecture will be focusing about the scientific notation. Now, why do we need to study about the scientific notation? Kasi nga, in our succeeding topics, you will be meeting a lot of numbers which are converted into scientific notation. So ano nga ba itong scientific notation? It's a method actually. Isa siyang method wherein the scientists or even the mathematicians have found a way to lessen the writing of numbers. Anong ibig sabihin nito? When you're going to, or when we are dealing with sciences in mathematics, you will be meeting a lot of big numbers, millions, trillions, or even small numbers. Okay? So, for us to write it down in a much simpler way, scientific notation was invented. Now, scientists are really lazy, no? So, instead of writing the exact number, gumawa sila ng way wherein they're going to use the power of 10 para mayroong shortened version ng mga malalaking numbers na ito. So, what are the general rules for scientific notation? Actually, guys, you've already learned this even from your junior high school. And I know for a fact that during your senior high school in your grade 11 days, meron na kayong knowledge for the scientific notation. So yung gagawin lang natin, we'll just make a simple review kung ano yung mga important rules na kailangan natin gawin. So I have here an example. To write properly a scientific notation, kailangan yung first number is between 1 and 10 and is multiplied by a power of 10. Anong ibig sabihin nito? So say for example, 23 times 10 raised to 5 is not in proper scientific notation. So the answer is that, of course, this particular digits, dapat ito, okay, ay less than 10. So, meron tayong example dito, 137 million can be rewritten as, using scientific notation, 1.37 times 10 raised to 8. Saan nanggaling yung 8? Meron tayong invisible decimal point dito. Okay, so bilangin natin, we need to move the decimal point papunta dun in this portion. Kasi nga yung rules natin, dapat yung nandito lang is higher than 1 and need to be less than 10. Okay, so i-move natin. Bilang lang tayo. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, nandito na ngayon yung decimal point. Pag sulat na natin siya, magiging ganito siya. Okay? So, the number of movement from the original position to the decimal point, okay, yun yung ilalagay natin dito sa my exponent. Clear? Kung hindi nyo naiintindihan, okay, pwede nyo balik-balikan yung video and then pakinggan ulit yung voice ko. Now, next. So, meron na tayong examples dito. So, using scientific notation, you rewrite the following numbers. So, I advise you guys na kunin niyo yung mga any scratch paper, yung notebook niyo, yung notes niyo, and then try it on your own notes. Okay, para makapag-practice na din tayo. So, example number 1, we have 347,000. So, ano yung magiging scientific notation form nito? Ano yung magiging, tawag dito? Yung revised form sa scientific notation. Okay, pwede nyo isulat sa may notes ninyo. Right. So, I think meron na kayong nasulat. Yan. So, 3.47 times 10 raised to 5. Now, why 5 na naman? Of course, it's the same rule. We've already moved yung invisible decimal point dito. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How about this one, 902 million? Okay. Yan. So, the answer is 9.02 times 10 raised to 8. Okay. And the last part, or last one, 61,400. So, in scientific notation form, magiging 6.14 times 10 raised to 4. Okay? Now, How about we do it the other way around? Okay? So ngayon, meron tayo ditong another example. Yung binigay sa atin is meron siyang, anong tawag dito? Meron siyang naka-scientific notation na siya. Tapos, yung exponent is merong negative sign. So, ano yung gagawin nito now? Kung babalikan natin yung previous example kanina, lahat na binigay na mga example is positive yung exponent. This particular example ngayon, naka-negative. Okay, so anong gagawin? If kanina, nandito yung decimal point, okay, and then nag-move tayo in this direction, dito yung movement natin, okay, we yield with a positive exponent. Nakuha? So, same, dito eh. So, we move from here, nag-move tayo punta dito, okay, from right here, we move to the left, on my perspective, on the perspective of your screen, we yield with a positive exponent. Now, paano naman pag negative? Okay? So, do it muna in your notes. Isip-isip. Okay? So, the answer is, ayan, 0.0000123. Other books, guys, naglalagay sila ng 0 dito. Okay? Pwede rin hindi, pwede rin oo. Pero, in our particular example, wala siyang dinagyan. Linagyan ko na lang ng 0 para maging uniform. So, from a negative 5 exponent, so saan siya nag-move? Okay, is it to the right or to the left? Of course, nag-move siya dito eh. Okay, dito nag-move. So, no negative 5 dito eh, maminli man o kwamat iso nang ag-move. Okay, bilangin tayo man. So, nandito originally yung decimal point and then nag-move siya. Okay, dito pala, nag-move siya ng 5 beses. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, nandito na ngayon yung decimal point. So, kung maglalagay tayo ng 0, 1, 2, pasensya sa 0, 3, 4. Ayan. So, kung bilangin natin from right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, from right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? How about this example? Ano yung magiging sagot natin? So, the exponent is negative 6. So, ano yung kanyang original form? Okay? So, ano yung sagot? And the answer is 0.000006806. Check nga natin kung 6 na beses siya nag-move. Okay, from right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, this is correct. And this is correct also.